This is TikTok Ask Made Easy, and this version is dedicated to those who run how to fill WhatsApp groups or Telegram channel. And as always, we want to begin with signing up on the Ask Manager. And to do that, you visit ask.tiktok.com. Okay, that's the interface where we are now. And then you see these two options here. Either to get started, click on get started, or you click on login. Normally, I want to go with login and then click on sign up from that angle. So I'll click on login. And so once here, you can see sign up now. So click on sign up now. We are not logging in. We want to sign up, right? So click on sign up now. All right. Normally, we'll go with email option, okay? Or phone number option. But these days, if you go with email option, a point comes where they will force you to put your phone number and they will never send a code in most cases, right? That means you'll get stuck. So because of that, we are not going to be using the email option, neither are we going to be using the phone number option. What we'll do is to use the TikTok option, that's sign up with TikTok, right? But before we click here, we'll have to check this box. So click here and then click on sign up with TikTok. And so here you see the options you have, right? We're going to be using the QR code, but then you have the option of phone, email, and then username. And then you also have the option of Facebook if you use Facebook to sign up on TikTok. Then you have that of Google and then that of Apple. Now, don't confuse what is happening here. You see here, log in. We are trying to log into our TikTok account, not the Ask Manager, because it's assumed we don't have Ask Manager account at this point in time, right? So what we are trying to log into is TikTok account, the one on the app on your phone, right? From there, we'll move on to the Ask Manager to sign up on the Ask Manager, okay? So in this case, I want to go with using of QR code. So I'll click on use QR code. And then I'll go to my phone, open my TikTok on the phone, right? And then click on the profile, then go to the hamburger icon, the 3 lines up, depending on where your own is, then click on it. Then I will see my QR. It say use, or rather your QR code. Okay, so I'll click on it. Then top right on my own is a little box. I'll click on it. Okay, that box is for scanning. So yeah, scan, right? So here it's now showing to log in. I'll click on login. So you can see here it's logging me in. So we are being logged into our TikTok account, not the Ads Manager now. So this is our TikTok account, right? Now, if this account, supposing this shows up and it's not the account you want to use, you can simply click on switch accounts and then you'll be able to log into the very account you want to use. Okay, so this is our TikTok account now, and this is Ads Manager. Here we are here to sign up, right? You say TikTok for Business wants to access your TikTok account, right? So this one wants to access this one. That's what it's saying. And if you check, you see the permissions given. Now, if your own is not showing like this, most likely that TikTok account is linked to another Ads Manager, right? So if that's the case, I'll be showing you much later in another video how to unlink it from the previous Ads Manager so that you can use it to set up on this very Ads Manager, right? So your one should show like this. I mean, all these options should be there. If they are just few options, that means there's a problem. Okay, all right, so one is showing well, so we come here and click on continue. Okay, it brings us here. So it's asking an additional email. So you can as well use phone number, but we're trying to avoid phone number, right? So let me use, okay, I hope I got this thing. Okay, so let's send code. Just click on send code. Okay, so I've gotten the code. I'll just have to input the code here. It's a one-time code. Okay. All right, so add email. Okay, so it brings us to this next interface, and simply what we'll do here is to enter industry, right? Okay, let me just choose this for now. So here now I can put any phone number. Okay, so you can select this and then click on continue. Oh, sorry, we didn't put a business name. I want to go with which business name now? Let's just say Learn Pro. Then I'll click on continue. All right, so at this point in time, we have successfully signed up on the TikTok Ads Manager. Okay, now the next thing we're going to be doing is setting up on this Ads Manager, right? So let me close this. Just skip this. We don't need it for now. Skip this. Okay, so you don't start running ad without setting up. Okay, so see you in the next video in this training.